Hi everyone, welcome to our group presentation where today we'll take you through a demonstration on disassembling and assembling a system unit. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, you're in the right place. We'll also explain the safety procedures while disassembling the system unit. So let's get started.
The proper tools required for disassembling and assembling a system unit include a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, thermal paste, cable ties or Velcro straps, a small container or magnetic tray, and a flashlight. However, in our video, we only used a Phillips head screwdriver and the flashlights from our mobile phones while filming our scenes.
Preceding our guidelines. Before we begin disassembling a computer, it's important to follow these essential safety guidelines to protect both yourself and the components. 1. Never work alone, have someone nearby in case of an emergency. 2. Always turn off and unplug the computer before opening it. 3. Keep all liquids away from your workspace to avoid electrical hazards. 4. Handle tools carefully to avoid causing short circuits. 5. Discharge any static electricity by grounding yourself before touching parts. 6. Never force components into place, check alignment first. 7. Keep your area clean before and after working to avoid accidents. 8. Hold components by the edges and avoid touching the IC parts. 9. Wear proper PPE, following your organization's safety protocols. 10. Make sure pins and connectors are properly aligned when connecting cables. 11. Be familiar with emergency procedures in case of fire or accidents. 12. Use tools like a brush, compressed air, or blower to clean parts safely. When safety rules are ignored, accidents happen, equipment is damaged, and lives are put at risk. Whether you're upgrading, cleaning, or just exploring how your PC works, the process is fairly simple. Just unplug all the cables, remove parts gently, and avoid using excessive force. If something doesn't move, it might still be attached with screws or clips, check carefully. For now, please watch as we complete the disassembly of the system unit. Afterward, we will explain and show each part before reassembling it. In the rest of the video, we will show how we reassemble the system unit. Feel free to watch as we put everything back together.